So now we'll be entering the bridge portion.
Prochaine station,
7 minutes, not too bad.
Panama.
You can see some new buildings being put up here on Ile des Sœurs, and we're now on the bridge. Over there is the bike path. And we're on the right side to see the city of Montreal. There's the city of Montreal in the background. Downtown Montreal, as seen from the Champlain Bridge. Samuel du Champlain Bridge, actually. And soon we will be passing through the central span. It's a cable stay span. We are racing traffic. We're actually going faster than the traffic, which makes this a much more attractive mode of transportation. This is a rather long span of the river. There you can see people in the front. City of Montreal. Here's the central span. Another REM. So now we're crossing the seaway. St. Lawrence Seaway. And Brossard, the city of Brossard, is on the other side, this part. And you can see Mont Saint-Hilaire there in the background. And it's been 10 minutes. 10 minutes to cross over into the South Shore. Not bad. That's a pretty decent time. It's actually less time than it takes the train to cross the Victoria Bridge. That takes about 15, maybe 18 minutes. This actually takes only 10. Well, it says here 11 minutes. Probably 12 minutes to get into the station at Panama, which is next station. I have to say it's pretty comfortable looking, not too bad. Not too crowded. They're not letting a million people into these trains. Just kind of expecting it to be completely flooded with people. Thank God it's not. And here we're now coming into the Panama station.
Station, Panama.
We've changed over tracks, I think. Oh, it's a central platform.
Gauche.
So people will be getting off and on here.
Mais chez vous,